When something goes wrong with the main engine, every second counts. But sometimes, traditional troubleshooting can take too long. That's where EyeTech comes in. You get support right when and where you need it, whether the problem is mechanical or digital. With a few clicks, you are connected to our OEM expert. All you need is a stable internet connection to join a video call via app or browser. Our experts see what you see in real time. Together, you can interactively analyze the issue and fix it, if possible, right away. EyeTech reduces your downtime and costs. Our Everllence experts are always available, wherever you are. 24/7, 365 days a year. From connection to solution in just one call. No delays, no doubt. EyeTech.